to the unboxing, we have the Apeman action camera. Move this out of the way. Right, let's open it. Nice little, just a simple box. Right, the usual instruction. Ooh. Share your shopping experience for a free gift. Hello. So this is the camera. You can see the size of that. It's just slightly smaller than a credit card. Obviously a lot thicker. 20mm thick. Nice camera. 4K times this. Anyway, let's look at the rest of the accessories that came with it. The case. Mounting brackets. Testing screw. Right, let's look at the rest of the kit. All in this tiny little box. Right, box empty. Just a bit of coffee first. Start with easy. Come with control. Strap for the control. Camera. Control strap. Those are instructions and paperwork. More strapping. Attachment screw. More attachment. Gripping. Oh, this is a good one. So this is good for gripping onto your handlebar and so forth and mount the camera. So this is a nice one to have. Settle grip, I think they call. Sorry, settle clamp. Under the casing cover. This one actually comes with 2 batteries. Comes with 2 batteries, so it's quite good. More attachment, which I need to look at. It's a little tiny attachment. So this is a camera holder without the waterproof casing, which is quite good. And I suppose these are holders for your car, so you stick it onto your dashboard and use it as a dash cam. Oh yeah, this camera you can use it as a dash cam. I think it's got a dash cam function. I suppose quite good for that. Cheap as well, so more mounting. I think that goes with that goes with that. So your hinge joint for adjusting the angle. Just basically got some attachment. Cloth, tie clip, more adhesive pad. Well, space to put on my work surface now. More adjustable. Swivel, rotation purposes, another screw, different type, and charging cable. The one with this one doesn't come with a separate charger. You can purchase that as a separate charger, which I think I would definitely do, because otherwise you have to plug the battery in, charge it through that, which is quite annoying. So it does come with a lot of stuff for a very, very reasonable price. I think I bought this on eBay, but you can buy them online anywhere, and they range from £28 to £40, so it's not bad price. I've not used that yet because I've not charged the battery, so I'm going to charge the battery and then have a little play around with it. I'll do another video on the quality of it. I'll probably do a video using that camera, edit it and everything, and then I'll post it so you can see how good it is as well. I think that covers pretty much everything on there. I'll go through some of the attachment when I start using it on the next video as well. So let's see how it goes.